Good morning, Christmas tree, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. It's Christmas Eve and almost the last day of Vlogmas. I am going to vlog Christmas Day and all that, so don't worry. I'm not going to stop on the 24th. I never do. I usually finish it to the end. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm wearing my Christmas outfit. I'm not putting on my Christmas pajamas until a little later, but for now we're just gonna wear this. I almost forgot to wear my iconic Vlogmas t-shirt, so since it is almost the last day, I'm wearing it. And then some joggers. You probably saw this outfit in my Christmas pajama lookbook. Ta-da! My Christmas Eve outfit. Now I'm not wearing anything new. I should have saved some new pajamas for Christmas Eve, but I didn't. So this is what I'm wearing. It is a bit cold, so I might put on one of the sweaters that I have, the Christmas pajama sweaters later, because it is a little chilly. But I have a bow in my hair, a bow on my shirt, a bow right here. I feel very festive. So I'm going to cook Christmas Eve dinner, and I have all the ingredients prepared, so I thought I would show you. Here is everything. I am making chicken soup. It's a Filipino version. It's called sopas. So my cousin and aunt taught me how to make it. I made it once before and I kind of messed it up, but I fixed it in the end. I didn't put enough chicken broth, so I have two of these just in case. So I have some chicken broth, as I said. I put this can of mixed vegetables in. I'm gonna put two, I think, because I like a lot of veggies. We have this evaporated milk, so it's Nestle Carnation, some elbow macaroni noodles, some grilled chicken, and then more chicken broth, as I said. And I'm gonna use my pretty pink pan. So we're gonna make chicken sopas, and for dessert I'm going to be making some brownies, so we'll do that a little later. I'm going to focus on this first. So first I'm going to boil the water so I can do the noodles. Also going to turn on the oven because I'm going to make garlic bread. Man, that's hard. Just put it on 300. The water is boiling, so I'm gonna put the noodles. The noodles are cooked. I put some butter on it. Now we're gonna move on to the other ingredients. I'm gonna cook up the chicken. I'm using the same pan. I just put some olive oil and I'm going to cook up the frozen chicken. I put the chicken in, just gonna let that cook up for a bit. Next, I'm putting the mixed vegetable mixture in. So I'm putting 2 cans, like I said. Now I'm gonna add the chicken broth. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook up for a little bit and simmer. So I'm gonna take some pictures in front of the tree while the soup starts cooking some more. And also we're gonna put on one of my favorite Christmas movies. I love this as a kid. I haven't watched it in a few years. I don't know how long it's been, but I love this movie and this song to it, and I found it on my iPad, so I'm airplaying it to the TV that I can show you now. I'm gonna watch Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. It's such a good movie. I found it on the CW for free to watch, so hopefully it works. If not, I'll have to find it somewhere else. Hopefully YouTube has it, but I love this movie. We're gonna play that while I finish cooking and stuff like that, but let's press play. You'd think it's a touchscreen, but it isn't. Press play on the iPad. Yay! Oh, the volume. Oh, it's airplaying. Thank goodness. And now it's here on the TV, so yay! I love this movie. Back to cooking. I need to put the noodles into here. I just need to stir it up. Gonna put some more chicken broth and then some evaporated milk into it. This is the stuff my aunt said to use, so I'm going to just pour some in. I don't know if I'm gonna use the whole can or not yet, but... And now put some more chicken broth into it so it's nice and saucy or whatever. It has a lot of liquid in it. Okay, I don't know how much to put. I'm just eyeballing it, honestly. Putting this in. This was my mom's special ingredient, so just gonna dump the whole thing in because it's only like half gone anyways. So put that seasoning in there. Then gonna put some black pepper. I guess that's enough. I don't know. I eyeballed this as well. The last seasoning I'm going to put is some garlic salt. So I guess that's good. I can add some more for taste later. I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer while I work on the garlic bread now. So here is the garlic bread. I just bought the frozen Texas toast when I went to Smart and Final that one time. I'm just gonna put it on this pan right here with foil. And usually I make it homemade, but I'm lazy, so I'm just going to use this. Or on the baking sheet, I'm just gonna cook 4, 2 for my dad, 2 for me. Just stirred it up, so gonna let that cook some more. But I think it's time to put this in the oven, so let's do that. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven because I do not have a toaster oven. So in it goes for a few minutes. So I got our bowls all ready for the soup. Gonna stir it up a little more. I think it's probably cooked already, so yay, I made sopa, aka chicken noodle soup with veggies. I'm going to bring this over. Here, Daddy, here's your soup. Put the garlic bread out of the oven. I'm going to give my dad his because he likes it not toasty and I like mine a little bit more toasted. So going to pop mine back in and then give him his. Here's your garlic toast bread, whatever this is, Daddy. There you go. So here is my completed dinner. My soup I made, the garlic bread, and some grape Kool-Aid. So that's Christmas Eve dinner. And I'm still watching Grandma got run over by a reindeer, which is so good.
Yes, we have, Your Honor. In the matter of the
I love this song. Now that I'm done with dinner, I'm going to make some brownies. I'll have all my ingredients right here. Might put some M&Ms on top. So here is the brownie mix I'm using. Get some eggs, my measuring cup, my big glass bowl, and something to stir it with. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and dump it all in. Now it says that we need to put water, 3 tablespoons. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Now it says 1/2 cup of oil. And then eggs. Of the spoon. And now mix. That is all stirred. I have the pan right here and we're gonna transfer it over once I put some oil in it and do that. Now I'm gonna put some M&Ms on top. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna put this in the oven and there we go. Now I have to put the soup into the bowl to save it for leftovers for the next few days. Brownies out of the oven. Let's see if it's all cooked. The fork is clean. And I think they're done. So here is the brownies. I let it cool down and I got my Christmas plates out. This one is, oh, I think both of them are from Target. It says cookies for Santa and carrots for the reindeer. And the other one's just pink with a gingerbread house and a little penguin with a snowman hat, or penguin with a Santa hat. There we go. So cute. So we're gonna cut this up. That's how mine turned out. Yours is more perfect than mine. Yay! Got the brownies. Let's taste if I did a good job with it. Okay, they're really crumbly and coming apart. They're good. They're a little crunchy. I think I cooked them a little too long. but it's still good. So now that we're done with our brownies, I wanted to do our Christmas Eve tradition, which we usually open one gift up on Christmas Eve, and then we open the gifts on Christmas morning or Christmas evening, whatever we decide to do. So my dad is gonna go get his thing, and then he's gonna sit and open one gift, and I'm gonna open one gift, because as you can see, we have quite a bit of gifts behind me. We have him first, and then we'll do me. Let me go find a gift behind. Let's see. Can we just do a fake one or a filler? Yeah, why not? Okay, you open that. Okay.
Pretty wrappings,
Oh, it's too low. Should I lower it down? Should I lower it down?
Yeah.
That's a better angle.
My favorite candy.
It's backwards. Oh, because I taped it. There.
There, my favorite candy. Very good.
Now we eat it.
Okay.
Do you want me to stand up?
No.
So I'm gonna open mine. I know what this is anyways. I don't know why. So I got one of them that I've already seen. And did I wrap this myself or did you wrap this?
Who knows? I wrapped a whole bunch. Who knows?
Oh, you wrapped this one. Oh. Ta-da! It's hair scrunchies. Maybe I can wear it on Christmas now. Yay! It's Advent calendar time, and it is the very last one of the 24 chocolate days till Christmas. So that means it's Christmas tomorrow, and I'm really sad that this is over with again. I've enjoyed this so much. So my D24 is here. His is different. His is down on the other side,
yep.
But we're still going to open it.
I don't know what it is.
It's huge.
It's fairly good size.
It's Santa Claus.
What is mine?
A Santa sack. Yours isn't very good. Mine's more enjoyable. Oh, that was good. Okay, so those are our you're not. Those are our Advent calendars. Thank you for tuning in and watching all 24 days of us open this up and eat chocolate. Bye. So Advent calendar time is officially over. I really enjoyed that, and so did my dad. And it's just so cute that we did it. I might do a compilation video. I don't know if I'm even gonna publish it, but I'm going to make a compilation video for myself and maybe include 2019s and just do the whole like 24 days last year and then this year. I'm already getting a lot of texts coming through from my cousins, my aunts, all that on my phone. It's Christmas in the Philippines already. I talked to my aunt earlier while I was making soup and just chatted a bit there, and yeah, hopefully they had a good Christmas. It's really sad that I can't be with them on Christmas. I mean, I can call them and talk to them. I know a lot of people are probably in the same boat where they have to just talk with their like loved ones on the holidays and can't see them in person because 2020 was such a weird year. It does make me sad though that I do not have my mom on Christmas, and it's my first Christmas without her, so it's making me sad. It'd be much better if I just can't see her. Like if she was in the Philippines and I was here, I would probably be okay with it, but now that she's gone, it really makes me sad that I only have my dad with me. I don't really want to cry on Vlogmas, but it does make me sad, and though it seemed like I was happy today and tried to do fun things, it does make me sad that I do not have my mom on Christmas. Please hold your loved ones tight if you're with them. I am so sorry if you are alone on Christmas. My heart goes out to you, and I hope that my Vlogmas cheered you up. Like I said in my Vlogmas trailer, hopefully this was a distraction to your life and that you got some fun 24 days or 25 days of content from me. I had my cry. hugged my teddy bears tight, but now I'm going to import this footage. But my dad wants me to give him a haircut today, so I might do that before I change into my Christmas pajamas. So you know how all the people have been giving their significant others haircuts during quarantine and lockdown? Well, I have to give my dad one. I'm not the best at it, but I'm gonna do it. So before,
There we go.
there we go.
So put all the hair in the still away.
Let's see what thing. I don't know why I get nervous doing this. I've done it. I've done it what, 2 times lately? I think I've done it 2 times.
You don't have to be nervous. No.
I know you're already bald.
Already got, yeah. Just got a little bit of.
Whee!
Throw it in the front there.
Whee! Okay, bye. And I'm good. I did it. Yay! All ready for bed. I just put on my Christmas pajamas. So, yay. I'm still so festive. I really hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 24 and what I did on Christmas Eve. I got to cook soup. I baked some brownies. And then me and my dad opened one gift up and did our last day of advent calendar. Even me crying about losing my mom, which I didn't think I would include today in Vlogmas, but that's the real side of things. Of course, it looked all happy and fun, but I also was sad that I did lose my mom this year and she can't be here for Christmas. As I said, I'm gonna get ready for bed now, but thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 24. I really enjoyed it and I hope you got cozy with me this Christmas Eve. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 25, the last day of Vlogmas 2020. Bye everyone! Good night, Christmas tree!